Welcome to my video on the top 11 instant online check cashing apps. With the rise of digital banking, cashing a check no longer requires waiting in long lines at the bank or check cashing store. These apps allow you to quickly and easily cash your check online and have access to your funds in minutes. Number 11 on our list is Chime. This app offers a feature called Direct Deposit Advance, which allow you to access your paycheck up to 2 days early. It's free to use and available for both iOS and Android devices. Chime offers no minimum balance requirement or monthly service fees. It manages money 24/7. With the #1 most loved banking app, you get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. With Chime, you can deposit checks from anywhere in the world. Number 10 is Ino Money. This app allows you to cash checks and deposit them directly into your account. You can access your funds as soon as the check clears. There's a small fee for using this service, but it's available for both iOS and Android devices. Ino Money powers embedded payments and payouts, featuring the choice customers want and the risk protection enterprises, banks and businesses need. Ino Money is trusted by industry leaders and marketplace innovators. You can also earn points to use your Brinks Money Prepaid MasterCard for signature purchase transactions and redeem points for cash back on your card account. Number 9 is Brinks Money Prepaid. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers money management tools and budgeting features, available for both iOS and Android devices. Get paid up to 2 days faster with direct deposit with Brinks Money Prepaid. Number 8 is PayPal My Cash Card. This app allows you to load cash from checks or money orders directly onto a PayPal prepaid card. You can then use the card to make purchases or transfer the funds to your PayPal account. Available for both iOS and Android devices. No monthly fee and no minimum balance required. No cost direct deposit of paychecks, tax refunds, and government benefits. Load cash to your PayPal balance at retail locations. No fee for MoneyPass ATM withdrawals in the US. Number 7 is NetSpend. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers a variety of other financial services, such as bill pay and money transfers, available for both iOS and Android devices. NetSpend allows individuals to receive access to their direct deposit funds 2 days early. And your money is FDIC insured via NetSpend's relationship with 3 banks. The company does not charge overdraft fees and allows consumers to open a savings account that pays 5% on balances of less than $1,000. Number 6 is Nella. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers a variety of other financial services, such as e-wallet and money transfers, available for both iOS and Android devices. It has instant, hassle-free deposits and withdrawals, pay only with your Nella credentials, and earn loyalty points and be rewarded for it. Transactions are processed quickly. ATM cash withdrawal limits for MasterCard raised $1,000 per day for the bronze stage and $3,300 for gold and up. No transfer fee is charged for users on and above the silver level, transferring between Nella accounts. Number 5 is Cashia. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers a variety of other financial services, such as peer-to-peer payments and Bitcoin trading, available for both iOS and Android devices. Cashia is perhaps the fastest way of sending money from one person to another. Cashia offers a Visa debit card called Cash Card that links to your Cashia balance. You can apply for a Cash Card once you have verified your account. Number 4 is Cashia Live. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers features such as invoicing, inventory tracking, and reporting, available for both iOS and Android devices. Accept any form of payment with integrated credit card processing and state-of-the-art POS systems. Full-featured inventory management capabilities allow users to easily add and edit products, create purchase orders, and more. The Cashia Live dashboard and reports give users a real-time snapshot into their store's performance. Number 3 is Varo Money. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers a variety of other financial services, such as budgeting tools and no-fee ATM withdrawals, available for both iOS and Android devices. With Varo Money, you can embrace freedom from hidden bank fees as you strive to pay off expenses, save more for the future, and spend your cash on what you want. That means no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no charges to deposit checks. Use your free debit card or withdraw cash at 40,000 plus free ATMs worldwide. Number 2 is Dave. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. It also offers a feature called Dave Cash Advance, where you can get up to $100 in cash advance before your paycheck arrives. Available for both iOS and Android devices. Dave Banking is a cash management account that functions like an online checking account. If you opt into Dave Banking, you get a Visa debit card and access up to 32,000 fee-free ATMs. The account has no overdraft fees and no minimum deposit requirement to open. Number 1 is Starling Bank. This app allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone's camera and have access to your funds within minutes. Starling's fees are competitive. It won't charge you for basic transactions and banking services, and there is no monthly fee. Card payments and ATM withdrawals are also free both in the UK and abroad. There is a fee for sending money abroad, which depends on the receiver's country and the amount of money transferred. You can use your Starling card in a whole load of countries, almost anywhere you see the MasterCard logo. In fact, unlike a lot of other banks, they don't add fees or charges when you use your card overseas. It's also free to withdraw cash from ATMs outside the UK. And there you have it, the top 11 instant online check cashing apps. With these apps, you can easily and quickly cash your checks online and have access to your funds in minutes, saving you time and hassle. Be sure to check out each app's out. Also, note that some of these apps may have specific requirements or limitations based on your location. So be sure to check if they are available in your area before downloading. And also, some of these apps might have different name or version depending on the region. The apps I've mentioned above could be the international version. Make sure you search for the right version of the app in your region. Thanks for watching, and good luck finding the perfect online check cashing app for your needs. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you.